it'll make their productivity much greater.
Now, here's another clip of Eric Schmidt. Here, he shares much deeper concerns about upcoming AI technology. Watch this.
One way to think about the AI that you all know is think of it as language to language. You ask a question, the answer comes back. You ask a question, it can even write code. Nowadays, the models are multimodal. So for example, you can take a picture and say, tell me what's in this picture. Technically, there are APIs which allow one firm to call an OpenAI or Gemini API or Anthropic, et cetera, and do the classification of the picture and so forth. These are all tactics that increase the intelligence of the underlying system. There are three things going on right now this year, so less than the time frame you gave, that are really interesting. One is called infinite context windows. Infinite context windows means that you can keep feeding the answer back in as the question. So it allows you to do step-by-step planning. How do I build a house? Well, the first is I have to find a contractor. I found a contractor. What do I have to talk to them? Then I have to have an architect. How do I find an architect? Then I have to tell the architect what to do, and then design me the house. I'll give it to the architect. He can redesign it. There's a series of steps. The next one are called agents. And agents is a generally overused term. And most people think that agents will essentially act as memory sources. So an agent can be understood as it's watching something, and when it sees it, it takes an action. It does that by knowing what to do based on what it's seen. The specs for how agents work are completely undefined in the industry.